KK Shailaja, popularly known as Shailaja teacher, is an Indian politician and former Health Minister of Kerala who hails from Kannur district of Kerala. She currently serves as the member of the Legislative Assembly representing Mattanur constituency. She is affiliated to the Communist Party of India. Before entering active politics, she was a high school physics teacher. From 2016 to 2021, she served as the Minister of Health and Social Welfare and as MLA of Kathuparamba constituency in the 14th Kerala Legislative Assembly. In the 2021 Kerala Legislative Assembly election, Shailaja won the largest margin ever in the history of Kerala Legislative Assembly elections. She was controversially dropped from the second Vijayan cabinet in 2021. Shailaja was born on 20 November 1956 to K. Kunthan and K. Shantha. She obtained her Bachelor of Science in Physics from Pazhassi Raja NSS College, Mattanur, and Bachelor of Education from Visvesvaraya College in 1980. She then served as a high school physics teacher at Shivapuram High School in Kannur. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.